Hi everyone, welcome to a new Scratch tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to make a good but a really good text engine in Scratch. So let's get started. Make a new project called text engine test. I don't know, but like do you want? Sorry Scratch Cat, you got to be deleted by Scratch Cat. Now make a new sprite called text engine. Yeah, like that, bro. Now you need to make some bladders. Yeah, that's going to take off time. Yeah, sorry for not making a starter project, but I couldn't make it, bro. Sorry. So you gotta make all the letters. So A. Oh no. What, bro? What happened? What? What in the world? Oh, I hate this. I hate it. I hate it. Oh my goodness, what is happening? Whoa, please, only. Come on, bro, don't stress me. Okay, there it is. Well, guys, it's not that much. You gotta make letters, then some signs and numbers. It's not that much, guys. You can make it B. Wait. Oh my goodness. B, C, D, E, F, G. Wait, what? VG. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, I, J. Okay, I'm so tired of this, bro. Okay, guys, you're gonna speedrun this video. Yeah, speedrun. Advance the video because this is going to take me a lot of time. I know. L, M. Oh my. Okay, there it is. N, O, P. Yes, this is so OP. Haha, that's so funny. OP, OP, QRS, I think. I don't know even the. Oh my god. I'm so bad, bro. Q, R, duplicate, please. Duplicate. S, R, S. No, it's S. It's only S. S. I think I'm going to speedrun this. Yeah, I'm going to speedrun this. U, TB. Yes, I'm going to watch the TV after this. I'm so tired. Oh my goodness. B, W, X, Y, and Z. W, X, Y, and Z. Okay! But that's only the letters. Oh my goodness. Well, guys, I got to backpack this because I made a project making it, but I forgot to make the starter project. So wait like 20 seconds, so I will come back. And here I am back, bros. Well, it was 30 seconds, it's not that much. So here I backpack of sprites. I'm going to make the numbers by myself because that's easy. Yeah, it's very easy. Super easy. A lot easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oh, eyes. I am so bad. Okay. I think it's this one. Yeah, right. Yeah, what don't matter the order. Okay. Then don't forget about this one going to be an empty sprite. Yes, we'll need that. 6 minutes on making the sprites. Then the code. Oh my goodness. Please subscribe, guys, so we can get to um 100 subs. Okay, Rose. Next, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Come on, this one, bro. Okay, now the numbers. Let's duplicate this. Bro, what? What's happening, bro? What's happening? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, why is it pixel? Okay, 6. I put all in pixel, but not the letters. Oh, I'm bad. I'm bad. 7, 8, 9, and finally 0. Yeah, finally. Okay, let's code it. First, make a new block and call it text input text and don't run with a screen refresh. Wait 0 seconds. Set size to 90. Now let's make some variables, boy. So, line reading text head and that's it, boy. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's only that. So sets, so what's going to be 3 sets? No, the line out. set reading to 0, line to 1, and text head to 0. Oh, I'm so exhausted. Repeat length, length in the operators, length of text, the input. E4, put an equal in both sides. If 26 is equal to text head or 56 is equal to text head, change line by 1. Wait 0 seconds. Change text head by 1. Okay, boys, let's do this. Switch custom to leather. Text head of text. Call myself. Okay. Wait 2 seconds. And set gradient to 1. And now, bros, we're going to put this text block and put the text that you want. Let's duplicate this a bunch of times. Okay, there it is. Let's put, I don't know, hi. 3 a.m. Yeah. Sub to Guile Scratch. Yeah. That's super good. Yeah, subscribe to Guile Scratch. It's the best channel of YouTube. When I start as a clone, show equals to an equal if line is equal to 1. Okay. Go to x, put a minus. Okay. Then put a plus in the right tab, put a times. Yes, that's a lot of maths, bro. A lot of maths. Negative 223 minus 16. Sorry. There wasn't a minus, bro. I'm so bad. Okay, so here negative 223. Yeah, you saw nothing, bro. Plus 16 times text head. Okay, and for the y, it's like almost the same, but here change it. For line, negative 56. Oh, sorry. here in this part, change it for a minus. So negative 56 minus 30 plus line, and then duplicate all of this, put it in the else, and now in the else put an if, and duplicate this. Yeah, boy, yeah. Okay. So here the other thing we're going to change is here 26, line is equal to 2, line is equal to 3 plus 26, but times, so times plus what? Plus negative 52 plus text head. Okay, so let's see if this works. Oh wait, it's all in white. Let's change the backdrop. Let's change it to a red color maybe. Okay, there it is. Okay, let's see. Wait. What's happening, bro? Okay. Whoa, what? What's that, bro? I don't know what happened, bro. I really don't know what happened. Did I do something bad? Because I don't know what happened, bro. What really happened? Bro, I don't know what happened. I think I'm going to make another video solving this. So, bye bye.